Cello Insulated Hot Pot, all time hot, 2500 model. Okay, you can see here. Let's open it and unbox it. So here is the box. You can see the details on the box. So let's open it. Here is the box. You can see the blue box, casserole, hot box, or whatever. You can see the quantity 2500 ml. So it's from the Cello, manufactured by Cello. So here you can see the hot pot, 2500 ml. You can see inside we will get a container also inside it for storing curries hot easily, and also pick it and keep it aside or for using it for serving purposes. For hot, you can, it's shiny look, you can see smooth finish and shiny look. So this is the inside box. So this is especially for curries storing. Okay, so you can remove that and also directly put in that if any, like rotis etc. So here you can see it has a lock from one side. I mean, only we should place the cap of it or from correct side, then only it will fit and lock perfectly. So it is good looking from the Cello. So like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end.